So we're here because we want to talk more with you about bullying. And Ms. Baker's going to be joining us in a few minutes, but we want to talk more about it, and then we're going to come back probably around the middle to end of November, and then we're probably going to come back in January or so and talk even more about it. So we think this is a pretty important topic? It is a pretty important topic because bullying is not okay, is it? Never. It's never okay, and we don't want that at Snow Elementary School. So Ms. Cray and I, since the summer, have been doing research. We've been reading all about bullying, and Ms. Cray has some information to share with you from the experts on bullying.
So what is bullying anyway? According to experts on bullying, bullying is when someone treats another person in a mean or unwanted way over and over and over again. Now when we say that word over and over and over again, what word do you see that means the same as over and over and over again? What word do you see?
Over and over again.
What word do you see? Repeated.
Good.
Say that with me, please. Repeated. Now the experts say mean or unwanted way. And I know mean is one of our vocabulary words, but we're even going to talk about that a little bit more. At Snow Elementary School, we're going to say aggressive behavior. So listen to the full definition of bullying. Repeated, aggressive behavior towards another person. Read that with me, please. Repeated, aggressive behavior towards another person. Now we're going to talk about that word behavior, because there are 3 behaviors that we're going to discuss related to bullying. The first behavior is physical. Now when we go to gym, it's really also called physical education, because Mr. Haynes is teaching us all these different skills, learning with our body. We learn kicking with our feet, hitting the ball or things with our hands, and using our body. And when we're talking about physical bullying, some aggressive behaviors would be hitting, kicking, pushing, shoving, poking, prodding, blocking someone. Those would be the aggressive behaviors that we would talk about when we're talking about physical bullying. But it doesn't just happen one time. It happens repeated. And that's what makes it bullying. The second one we're going to talk about is verbal. Say that with me. Verbal. Verbal is using our words. When we're using our words to call someone mean names, or we're using our words or using our voice to laugh at someone, or we're using our words to, oh goodness, I gotta go back to the experts, to make fun of someone because of how they look or act. So making fun of someone, calling names. That is an example of what, friends? Verbal, if it is repeated. Verbal bullying, if it is repeated. The last one is social. Social bullying. That means that we are leaving someone out on purpose. We're not letting someone play with us on purpose. Or we are telling people, don't play with that person. Don't let them play with us. Or if I am whispering and spreading rumors about a person, just saying mean things about someone. That's an example of what, friends? Social bullying, if it is repeated.